Are you ready to take your car to the next level? And introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience. From measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-security product and service. The BONOSS active cooling GLC-Class wheel spacer have global pattern active cooling design, and the BONOSS active cooling Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. And the BONOSS Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forged made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061P6, the other is aluminum alloy 7075P6. The 6061P6 for daily driving, and the 7075P6 for racing, safety, or streaming driving. And match also grade 10 magnets, and the matching inside the magnets use 40 cool material by continuously forging process. And match also grade 12.9 wheel bolts, and the matching wheel bolts use SCM 440 steel material. BONOSS has over 66 SGS and GE test reports. Also, BONOSS provide OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. And you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm, and PCT-CB composition. BONOSS has a complete Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustments. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have just supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large retailers, and have a good sales network in various international markets. Our BONOSS GLC-Class wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. BONOSS wants to provide more additional functions for the Mercedes GLC-Class wheel spacers and make the wheel spacer safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same function for car, we think that using high performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious rolling. BONOSS, good partial view.